Welcome. Today I am with Motorola Edge 20 Pro and I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display in the smartphone. So at first you have to turn off your smartphone. And right now you have to prepare a good source of light to see every mess that you have on the display. In my case I can spot a few fingerprints right here and few pieces of dust. So that's very important. Right now I'm going to zoom in a little bit to show you a little bit better how it looks. Okay, so right now we can go for the installation process. We have to open the box with the tempered glass. We'll find for sure glass itself and also additional tools, wet and dry wipes. At the first we are going to use a wet wipe. So just open. And what you have to do right now, just clean your screen. Reach all corners and edges. After a few simple moves, we easily get rid of most of the dust and other stuff. So when you finish with wet cleaning, you have to move to the dry wipe. And right now we have to remove this wet marks from the screen. So just do the same. Simple moves. Okay, and as you can see, we clear our screen. So right now you have to be sure that there is no any piece of the dust. So we can slide in the one direction with your wipe. And when you are sure that everything is fine, you can remove this sticker from your tempered glass. So let's make it like that. And as you can see, it comes with this foil. So do it slowly, just like that. Hold glass with your four fingers at the top, at the bottom. Let's put it like that. At first put the glass for the top section of your screen and keep holding the bottom part with two fingers, like in my case. Right now, when we put the glass evenly, we can finally put the bottom part. Do it slowly, be sure that everything is fine. And right now, as you can see, it goes automatically. You can press to speed it up. Okay, and as you can see, we are almost finished. There it is. Right now we have to remove these glue marks from the screen. So you have to grab your wipe and just simply press on the screen. Most of them will just disappear right now after pressing, but few of them will still be here, so you don't have to worry about that because they will disappear after a few hours or after a few days. And by the way, if your smartphone comes with factory screen protection, like for example with the very thin foil, you can leave this foil on the screen, you can apply glass on that foil and you will improve protection of your display. There will be no any problem with the touch interaction. Okay, so as you can see, it's finished. Right now I can turn on the phone and I will show you there is no problem with the touch interaction.
Hello, Moto.
Okay, take a look. Everything is fine. So as I said before, you don't have to be afraid of applying glass on the Motorola Edge 20 Pro. So if you will find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.